The human body is a marvel of nature filled with unbelievable facts that often leave us in awe. For instance, did you know that your body contains about 37.2 trillion cells? That's a staggering number. Each of these cells has a specific function working together to keep you alive and functioning. Now, let's talk about your brain. It's not just the control center of your body. It's also incredibly powerful. Your brain generates enough electricity to power a small light bulb. It's constantly firing off signals, processing information, and making decisions, all while using about 20% of your body's total energy. Speaking of energy, consider this. Your heart is a tireless worker. It beats around 100,000 times a day, pumping about 2,000 gallons of blood through your body. Over a lifetime, that adds up to enough blood to fill 2 swimming pools. And here's a fun twist. Your heart can continue to beat even when it's disconnected from the body, thanks to its own electrical system. Let's not forget about your bones. You might think they're just rigid structures, but they're actually living tissues that are constantly being remodeled. In fact, you have about 206 bones in your adult body. But did you know that babies are born with around 270 bones? As they grow, some of these bones fuse together, resulting in the 206 we have as adults. And then there's your skin, the largest organ of your body. It's not just a protective barrier, it's also a complex system. Your skin can regenerate itself every 28 days, shedding dead cells and renewing itself. In a lifetime, you'll shed about 40 pounds of skin. Let's talk about your senses. Your nose can remember 50,000 different scents. That's right. Your sense of smell is incredibly powerful and closely linked to memory. Ever walked past a bakery and suddenly recalled a childhood memory? That's your nose at work. Now, consider your gut. It's home to trillions of bacteria, collectively known as the gut microbiome. These tiny organisms play a crucial role in digestion, immunity, and even mood regulation. In fact, about 90% of your body's serotonin, the feel-good hormone, is produced in your gut. And here's a surprising fact. Your body is constantly producing new blood cells. In fact, your bone marrow creates about 2.4 million red blood cells every second. That's essential for transporting oxygen throughout your body and keeping your energy levels up. Lastly, let's touch on your DNA. If you stretched out all the DNA in your body, it would reach from the Earth to the Sun and back over 600 times. Each cell contains about 6 feet of DNA, tightly packed into a structure so small you can't see it without a microscope. The human body is truly a complex, interconnected system that continues to amaze scientists and laypeople alike. Every day it performs incredible feats, often without us even realizing it. Isn't it fascinating to think about all the extraordinary things happening inside us right now?